Hey everybody, it's Tina and I am here to give you a YouTube video great tip on how to make a high-res thumbnail. It's very simple to do and there's only a few steps to take. So, if you're ready, follow me through this video. First of all, you have to go to Canva, C-A-N-V-A. The website's right here. I have it right here. Here's the website. The web address is right up here. Right here. You can do quite a few things with this. It's free, folks. You can make a YouTube channel, artwork, and a lot more. Everything I'm showing you people is free, okay? This is a YouTube Screenshot.com because you're going to take a screenshot after you make your video and do your thumbnail after you do it. So it's real simple, okay? So this is the site I use. I'm going to show you how to use it in a second, but it's self-explanatory also. So here we go. Let's get one of these going, okay? Here's one of my videos that I'm going to use for an example, okay? And I'm going to show you how I do this, step by step. So first of all, you want to get the URL. So you want to push share. This comes up. You want to click on this, copy this, copy it. Now go back up to the YouTube right here, that go to the YouTube screenshot. Then you're going to scroll down, and here where it says show screenshots, put that in there, paste it in there, show screenshots, give it a few seconds, and they will show up. Watch. Oh, I forgot to do it. Oh, there they go. So I want to use this. So I want to save image as, put them in your pictures. Tina's face for a great thumbnail. Okay? And I want to put it in photos. And I want to save. Okay, so now it's saving that. So that's done. So that's really the first step. Now we're going to go over to design in Canva. Click on YouTube thumbnail. I am going to find this picture, upload your image. Let's see if I can find the picture now. That's probably going to take me the longest to do anything. Sorry this video is going so long. Let's see if I can find it. Well, it might help if I put my glasses on, folks. I have a lot of images. Sorry, guys. Hold on, I'll be right back. So, all I did was type Tina's face for a great thumbnail, and now I'm going to open the file. It's going to upload like it did right there. You can take this. Now this is just a real fast one, okay? I'm just making it pretty fast. Background, which I already should have done. Let's do a light blue. put this in the middle. See if I can make it bigger. I like to use my face. Okay. I'm gonna go over here, and I'm gonna go right off of here, and I'm gonna copy this. Oops. For a good capture. Then I'm going to go back over here, and I'm going to put text, add a headline, click that, hold on a second folks, and you're going to right click, paste what you want to put. Okay, you can move this around easily by this. You can spread it out. I'm going to make it a different color, like white, so it sticks out. I better change the color because it's not really sticking out. Let's see what yellow red does. Okay, and then you're going to put download, and it will start downloading down here. It takes a few minutes. Say it's downloading. Okay, once it's downloaded, then you put show in file, and there it is. Then you put it in your pictures. That's what I do it, so I know where the heck they are, because I have so many pictures on file. Then I'm going to go back over here, and I am going to add my thumbnail to this video. See, high res thumbnail? I don't have it yet, so I am going to do that right now. And that's really all you got to do to it. Get it to move. Create a thumbnail. Oh no. Other images. I do it this way. Then I'm going to go into pics, and I'm going to look under Tina's face. And see if I can find it. And is it there? Hold on. For some reason, it's not. Hold on, let me go find that. Okay, well, I was clicking on the wrong title. So, hold on. Okay, so here we go again. Pictures. Now, let's find it. Again. Let's see. Hold on, I gotta find this picture. Okay, push open, and there you go. There is my thumbnail for that particular video. So I have to scroll down. And change images. I thought I did it. you can do it either way you want. There's 2 or 3 different ways you can do it. You can do it like I just did it. Now it's uploading. You will see in a few seconds what it's going to look like. And that's it. There it is. It's right there, folks. That's how simple it is. It's just a few steps. Hope you enjoyed this. How to make an easy high-res thumbnail for YouTube. Thanks for watching, folks. Have an awesome day. Please give this video a big thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. Have a great, awesome day.